Hello everyone, hope that you are well. Today we are going to talk about a new rule of English grammar, that is it is time or it is high time. It is incorporated in the rules grammatical item right form of verb. So let's start. First of all, we have to know that when it is high time or it is time, the phrase is used. Okay, it is the meaning or the concept of the it is time or it is high time. It is high time plus past subjunctive expresses that something should be done, and that is already a bit late. Okay, so you had to do something and you are already late, so that is called it is high time or perfect time to do the something. You cannot delay anymore. Okay, so you have to do it just right now. Okay, the first rule is it is time or high time. It is both same, whether it is uh, incorporates with the high or only the time. Okay, it is high time or it is time, the matter is same. Okay, it is high time plus subject plus past form of verb. Okay, after, if there is a subject after the phrase it is high time or it is time, then if there is a subject after the phrase it is time or it is high time, then there will be a past form of a verb. That means the simple past tense, past indefinite tense. Okay, for example, it is high time or it is time we, so you can notice that there is a subject we, so there will be the main verb is live, so past form of a verb, so we have to use the left past form of the verb. Okay, so it is high time, so it is high time we left the place. So you can say that there is the subject we, so there will be the past form of a verb. Okay, again another example is it is high time they changed their plan. So you can say that there is a subject they, so there will be a past form, there will be a past form of the verb. Okay, the second rule is that it is high time plus to plus base form of verb. Okay, if there is no subject after the phrase it is high time or it is time, and there is a to, if there is not given any to, you can use both subject plus v2 or verb base past form of a verb, but and as well you can use 2 plus v1, the base form of a verb. If there is no subject mentioned after the phrase it is high time or it is time, you can use both the past form of a verb or base form of a verb. If there is a to after the phrase it is high time, you have to use base form of a verb. Okay, example, it is time to go there, it is time to go there. You can see that there is a to, preposition to, so you have to use the base form of a verb. Don't be confused with the philosophy or the tendency that every preposition contains the gerund or gerund form of a verb. Okay, so it is time to go there, it is time to leave the place. If there is a to after the phrase it is time or it is high time, then you have to use the base form of a verb. Okay, and the extension remains the same. Okay, then the rule 3, it is an extended version of the rule 2. Okay, basically there is there are two main rules, the rule 1 and rule 2, and rule 3 is an extended form of rule 2. Okay, it is high time or time for plus object, it is an extension. It is time plus to It is time or high time plus to plus base form of a verb. But it is high time or it is time for plus object. It is an extension. It does not change the rule of the second formation. Okay, this is the structure, main structure. Sometimes the educators or teachers give this for plus objects extension to make you confused. Okay, sometimes. So the rule is the same. Example, we can see that it is high time for us. It is an extension. It is high time for us. It is an extension. It does not influence the exact structure or rule of the right form of verb. So it is high time or it is time to go home. Okay, don't be confused with the extended part. It is high time for him. It is an extended part. It is high time for him to do the work. So you have to remember the two rules. If the phrase it is time or it is high time contains a subject after it, then there will be a past form of verb. If the phrase does not take any subject after it and it takes the preposition to, then the verb will be in the form of present form. Okay, in the present form. So you have to just remember these two types of rules. Okay, stay well. We'll be meet with another topic or rules of a grammar.